Once upon a time, in a kingdom where the stars twinkled like diamonds, lived three beautiful princesses, Lila, Mira, and Zara. They were known throughout the land for their kindness and grace, and they spent their days exploring vibrant gardens and playing with woodland creatures. One day, the princesses discovered that the enchanted river that flowed through their kingdom had started to dry up. Without its sparkling waters, the flowers began to wilt, and the animals looked sad. The sisters decided they must embark on a quest to find the source of the river's magic. As they journeyed into the heart of the enchanted forest, they faced a few challenges. First, they encountered a mischievous sprite who blocked their path, giggling and throwing leaves at them. Then, they had to cross a rickety bridge guarded by a sleepy dragon who snored loudly. Using their kindness, Lila offered the sprite a shiny gemstone, which delighted him enough to let them pass. Then, Mira sang a gentle lullaby that soothed the dragon, allowing them to cross the bridge safely. United in their adventure, they overcame each challenge with courage and compassion. Finally, they found the source of the river's magic, a beautiful crystal hidden beneath a waterfall. With their combined love and respect for nature, they restored the magic, and the river flowed brightly once more, bringing life back to their kingdom. Returning to their kingdom, the princesses learned that, together, they could overcome any challenge. And so, they lived happily ever after, reminding everyone that kindness and teamwork can make magic happen.